we do want to get a little bit of insight on your experience with WorldGates. So if you can just get started by telling us a little bit about yourself. When did you apply? Is this your first time applying?
Of course, I'm Amir, and I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. Yes, actually, I refused one time around 2 years ago. Yes, less than 2 years ago, I rejected for a study permit visa, but I tried to take my case with help of Mr. Meyer to the court, and finally I achieved to my case was settled, and I now I'm really happy to can get an admission.
That's amazing, Amir. So you refused one time, but you did not give up on your dreams, and then you take your application to the federal court. I know it was a lengthy process. It takes you about some time, but finally you received the study permit approval. So tell us more about your career and educational background, and what is your plan after graduation?
Yes, actually, I've done a bachelor's degree in industrial engineering in 2011, and after that, I continue in order to feel the need to upgrade my knowledge. I passed the PMBOK course in MFT Institute in 2018. After graduation from the university, I worked for a company which called Satrap, and it was a construction company. And I was a member of a control project group, and we worked on projects in the term of cost and time. After that, since 2016, I worked for two companies in Creative Plus and Badkube, both of which are really good standing companies in Iran. Yes, and they worked in the field of advertising.
Amir, we understand that in the past you faced a rejection, then you reapplied and everything sort of worked out for you. Now, moving forward, is there any piece of advice that you would like to offer to anyone who's in the same position like you, where they applied and had similar experience? What would you say to a student like yourself?
Actually, if I have a suggestion for other students, just don't give up and go ahead, and just be strong in the way. I think if you have a dream, you can achieve anyway, but you just need to try more and more. Actually, if they study and try in their path, I think eventually they can reach their goals.
Exactly. We may receive negative news, or we may have a refusal. That doesn't mean that it's the end of it all. You can still reapply. There are many options, and of course on our website we have several options as to how you can push back with a rejection.
Of course. Actually, some people told me, you were rejected, you don't have any chance, and don't try anymore, and go and continue your current job. But I didn't give up, because I believed my way is right, because I tried all my life in my career and all stages of my life. I think if you try, you eventually reach your goals.
Thank you so much, Amir, joining our Zoom call, and then hope to see you soon in Vancouver.